morning, it's Allison Merritt, Dreamweaver Designs Jewelry, and today I am bringing you an unboxing video from TinyPandora. These are TinyPandora's new screen and silkscreen and cutter sets for polymer clay. And they come each in a package that includes tools and stuff that you can use on the screens, and I will open them up in a minute, but we have an elephant, a heart, and an owl. And this is really cool because, oh, and I forgot to show you, whenever you buy a set, you will get a free gift from TinyPandora. And I got 3 sets, so I got 3 gifts. I got really lucky. And I love these. They're always little charms. This one's an elephant. This one is the tree of life. And this one is the sun and the moon. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Teresa. All right. The first set that we have is the owl, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I hope that you all had a great Christmas. Mine was very, very busy and still is. The holiday season is usually a bit crazed for me, but I got to spend it with some wonderful people, so I'm very happy about that. All right, so in each kit, you receive bales, and quite a few of them, a very generous amount of bales. Oh, looks like we're gonna have Pumpkin joining us for this tutorial or unboxing. So you get all of these bales. You get them in silver, gold, bronze, very nice, very shiny, beautiful. You can put them on the backs of whatever you create. To turn them into pendants or keychains or, you know, whatever you want. Whoop, Punky. Oh, there he is. There's Pumpkin. You will also receive in your kit these little mini brushes, which are very cool. You can apply alcohol ink, other inks, paints to get into very fine detailed areas. And again, you get a very generous amount of those. Pumpkin likes them. And of course, you get your shape cutter. This one is the owl. Do you like the owl, Pumpkin? Yeah. Whoop. Yep, he likes the bags too. He tries to steal my stuff. There's a box over here for you, buddy. Why don't you see if you can fit into it? All right, and I forgot to mention these. You get applicators and brushes, which I love. TinyPandora's brushes, and I have the set of them. I've had them for a long time, and they really last. They're very good quality and very inexpensive. She offers great prices. So you get this fatter brush and a thinner one, and then an edge, like a detail brush, which is cool. And then a smudgy, I don't know what else to call that. You can smudge with it. Great to use for clay too. And then we also have 4 designs. I love these stickers. I save them and I put them on things because they're just so stinking cute. Then we have the screen that goes with the set, and designed by Rhonda Jones exclusively for TinyPandora.com. And this is the owl, and these are the 4 designs that you get. And I should have left the cutter out, because you will put these down on your clay, use whatever medium you want to use that's appropriate for silk screens, and then you will cut your image out with the cutter. and each one matches perfectly. So I can't wait to play with that. So that is the owl collection. And hang on, buddy. I need this. Thank you. Now each kit comes with the same items. So I'll just pack this one up real quick and then show you the designs and the cutter for the other two sets. Next we have the elephant, and I love elephants. My daughter loves elephants. She's an elephant fanatic. So I was really happy that TinyPandora offered elephants. So you get the same things in each kit. You get the brushes, you get the bales in assorted sizes, rectangles and hearts, the brushes, the fine brushes, and your cutter. And in this one, we have the elephant design, which is really cool. And you get 4 designs there, and the coordinating cutter, which will fit all 4 designs. Now look at these designs. These are amazing. You have your lotus flower, very boho. I love this. You know, elephants are, to me, I don't know, they're magical. And I love anything boho, so this is perfect. And I don't know where the clear plastic sheet went with. I think Pumpkin stole it. So I'll put this back in here to protect my screen. And the cutter. And that all goes back in here, which I'll do later. Excuse me, Pumpkin, you're making a mess, buddy. And last but not least, we have the heart. Now, I can't wait to play with these. I just wanted to unbox them with you today and show them to you, but I am going to be doing a tutorial. I'll show you what I've created with all of them, and then I'm actually going to do a tutorial with the heart, if Pumpkin allows it. So let's go ahead and open up the heart. And Pumpkin, stop chewing on stuff, buddy. See what kind of design we have here. And the heart, excuse me, Pumpkin, your heart cutter matches each one. And I love these designs too. These are very, very pretty. I cannot wait to create with all of these sets. This is awesome. And like I said, I'll be doing a upcoming tutorial mid-January using the hearts. But in the meantime, I will be posting things that I have created with all 3 just to share with you. I have a little technique that I want to try out with them, which I think is going to work beautifully. And I will share that with you. Come on, Pumpkin. You want to get in the box for everybody? This is a nice small box for you, buddy. Come on. Hop on in. You know you love boxes. I don't know. Pumpkin usually photo bombs or video bombs my unboxings because he loves boxes. But today he's just going to pretend like he's not going to like this box, because there's more other stuff out here that's interesting to him. So I'll just stick him in the box. All right, everybody, I wanted to share that unboxing with you. And of course, Pumpkin, I know a lot of people have been asking where Pumpkin is, and here he is in all his glory. And I will have a tutorial with these 3 beautiful designs from TinyPandora. I will have that mid-January. Thank you so much for watching. And whoop, Pumpkin fell out of the box. I will see you soon. Bye.